Welcome back. Advocate Radharao Gracious has shot back at the government for compensating mining truck owners. Radharao maintained that truck owners were also a part of illegal mining. He has now asked the government to compensate the sand truck drivers who are jobless due to ban on sand mining. He says CM does not understand the concept of Portuguese citizenship.
Advocate Radharao Gracious has objected to compensation for mining truck owners.
The government compensating the truck drivers because of the stoppage of illegal mining. Now, we vehemently object to that. You see, these truck drivers are as much part of the illegal mining activity as the mine owners. And most of them were into big business, not just surviving on those mining transportation. Paying each of these truck drivers huge amounts of money. Now, there are people who need to be compensated much more than these truck drivers. Today, banned the extraction of sand in Penne. Karnataka government is not export of sand from that state. Today, if anyone wants to build a house himself, the big builders can take care of themselves, but a small man, it's difficult to get sand.
Persons of Goan origin who were born abroad before liberation shall be deemed to have become citizens of India, provided their parents or grandparents were born before 20th December 1961. Chief Minister had replied this in the House. Gracious says CM has not understood the concept of Portuguese citizenship.
Issue of Goans holding Portuguese passports. Minister seems not to have understood the issue. See, the question is not whether Indians born in foreign countries are foreign nationals. Clear. Any person born of Indian parent abroad automatically Indian citizenship under the law of descent. There is no question of not being citizenship. The issue is Portuguese nationality of Goans. You see, we, those of us, became citizens of this country by virtue of the citizenship order March 1962. By that order, all of us who were Portuguese were automatically conferred Indian citizenship.
Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
BJP has strongly opposed the entry of Playboy Club in Goa. However, the MLAs are not unanimous with party's view. While speaking in the State Assembly, Nilesh Cabral said government should invite clubs like Playboy in the state to attract high-end tourists. However, BJP's Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo is strongly opposing entry of the club in Goa. BJP MLAs congratulated the Tourism Ministry for winning Best Tourism Destination Award at Shimla.
You should also invite clubs like Playboy and other various clubs so that high-end tourists come to Goa. Now we have low-end, so high-end tourists come to Goa so that we have a lot of better infrastructure.
Definitely Minister Tejer ye getalo and I congratulate him for doing good works for Goa. Definitely je आता आमच्या बाब काब्रालान endorse केला जे Playboy गोयान हाडचो म्हणून. Definitely I oppose that. And the Honorable Minister and Poile website poche ani taga hadcho.
We are against anything which is against the morals of the people of Goa. So we will not support if that Playboy is the real Playboy or which is elsewhere in the world. So question of supporting something which is bad for the society, BJP will never support. I am not talking about a government stand, I do not know, but Bharatiya Janata Party is all for the morality and will not support anything which is goes against the morality of people of Goa.
Government will think about introducing sports as a subject in schools while reviving the sports policy, revealed Sports Minister Ramesh Tawadkar. Replying to the sports demand in the House, Tawadkar also declared the target of providing grounds to all government schools within next 5 years. He also remarked that sports department's administration under former director Suzanne D'Souza was a mess and he will need 6 months more to put it in order.
मिनिमम फॅसिलिटी दिवपाचे दृश्टिकोन आसतना ऑपोजिशन लिडरान सांगलें अशें एखादो कबड्डीचो ग्रावंड व्हॉलीबॉल ग्रावंड बाकीचो अशा तरेचे जे ज्या जागो कसो आसा त्या प्रमाणे आमी ताका पयशे दिवन ते ग्रावंड आमी बांदून घेतले आनी फुडल्या 5 वर्सां भितर आमकां टार्गेट घेवन वचपाचो आसा की जे प्रायमरी गव्हर्मेंट स्कुलां सगळ्यांचो ग्रावंड मिनिमम ती फॅसिलिटी आसा आमकां दिवपाची आसा की मार्क्स सिस्टम जी सुरू केली की एखाद्या भुरग्याक एक खेळा संदर्भात आवड निर्माण जावपाची एखादो मार्क्स जर मेळटा म्हणजे जर जाता भुरगो तो ग्रावंडार येता ताणें तालुका लेवल प्रेसिडेंट पार्टिसिपेट जावचो ताणें डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचेर पार्टिसिपेट जावचो ताणें स्टेट लेवलाचेर पार्टिसिपेट जावचो.
Sports as a subject in the school. Sports.
सर अजून ताजे निर्णय हे जालो ना ताजे एक पूर्णपणे विचार करून की सब्जेक्ट लावपाच्या संदर्भांतलो की जशी आमची स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी रिवायव आमी करतले त्या वेळाचेर ताचो विचार करूया की फाटल्या सरकाराच्या कालावधीक म्हाका दिसता स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटाचें एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कितें आशिल्लें आनी ताजो जो मानसीक म्हणटा तो त्रास आमगे हे एक वर्स आमी भोगताच. म्हाका कशें रोमट जें केल्लें त्यामुळे आजूय म्हणटा म्हाका हें सगळें जाग्यार घालतलो जाता न्ही आनीक एक किमान 6 म्हयने लागतले. तो उलयलो गेलो की म्हाका दिसता की सुजाना काडलें अशें तो सांगून गेलो हांवें त्या म्हाका दिसता की फाटल्या सरकाराच्या कालावधीक स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटाचो वेव्हार म्हाका दिसता स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट सादारणशें 3 बी सुरू जातलें. तिका हांवें विचारलें की तें आपल्याक शक्य ना आपल्याक सकाळ फुडें टायमार येवपाचें आपल्याक शक्यच ना. अशा स्थितीक स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट चलपाक शकना. ह्या गोष्टीचो तो उलयलो गेलो न्ही आमी खंयच्याय एका कम्युनिटीचो विरोधक अशेंय न्ही.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.